easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending I'm born like this again.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome. My name is Kristen and this is Life Made Simple. If you are new here, I will kind of give you a backstory on why there is like a tiny rug on top of my big rug. I had recently just ordered this exact rug for my living room because, as you can see, my daughter is crawling all over the place now, and I needed something a little bit more softer for her to crawl around on. But this rug right here that I'm rolling up, or trying to roll up, actually goes in my oldest daughter's room. While editing this video, I was dying laughing because I really didn't plan on filming this, but I figured why not, because I totally forgot that that rug was supposed to come in that day. So I just kind of threw up the cameras and started filming, and as you can see, like, the kids were all over the place. My husband actually is getting ready to bring Emma in. She fell asleep in the car because we had just gotten home and I'd seen that the rug was on the front porch, and I took no time. I ran and grabbed Chloe and we went to town. I wanted to get that rug out so bad.
No, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
Like a hot mess today. It's actually raining today, and it normally does not rain here unless it's like springtime and there's tornadoes. So it is raining, which is a kind of a bummer because I really did want to power wash this rug one last time before I put it in our bedroom, but that's just not going to happen with it raining and whatnot right now. But that's fine because I power washed it about 5 months ago when it first started to get really nice outside, and it is a indoor and outdoor rug, so it is reversible. I can clean it, and I'll probably just use my cross wave, to be honest, and clean it really good. It doesn't look dirty or anything. It's just once it goes under the bed, it's probably not going to come out for a while because it's really hard to get a rug under a bed. Okay, I want you guys to see this. Like, no matter how much you vacuum, how much you think that you get it, these little rug pads and your rugs hold so much dirt. Look, I vacuum on a daily basis, and this is what I shook out of it. Hopefully you can see that really well, but this is just a pile, and it's bigger than this pile. It is just dog hair and dirt and crumbs, and it's really gross. But I even took it outside and I shake it really, really well. I would just straight up vacuum it, but it gets sucked up in my vacuum cleaner. So I'm gonna go ahead and run the vacuum over this and then lay down. Well, actually, I'm gonna mop the floor first. So for quite a while, I have been searching for a all-natural floor cleaner, and I found this at our local Whole Foods store, and it is a vinegar-based cleaning product, and it actually isn't too bad. On their website and their Instagram, they do actually have 4 or 5 different scents for the floor cleaner, but this place that I went to only had 2 of them, and it was lavender and then the one that I bought. And I'm gonna say I'm not like a huge fan on the scent. Like, it's okay, it's not horrible. If you like the vinegar smell, then it's definitely for you, but it is a very faint vinegar smell. And then I didn't choose to get the lavender one because I'm not a lavender person. I know everybody loves the smell of lavender, but it makes me want to throw up.
I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Dance, 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 yeah. Dance, yeah. Baby. Dance, 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 yeah. Dance, yeah. Baby. We fall apart, piece by piece. That's how the little things get huge. Just keep on moving through the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing.
Holy cow, guys, I guess I didn't realize how much bigger a 9x12 was. So now my thing is I gotta figure out exactly what angle I'm gonna put it at. I think I'm gonna do this. As I'm sitting here going back and editing this and doing the voiceover, I think to myself, like, I wish I had Emma's energy right now. Like, look at that kid go. She is like non-stop running in circles around this new rug. I so wish I had that energy right now.
I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo. So tonight we just
So this is where things got a little bit crazy and out of hand, as my husband would say. I am one of those people, like, I don't really ever plan to just like move the house around, but the new rug came and then all of a sudden, you know, I was like, well, what if, you know, this looked good over here? Like, the rug completely changed the look of the living room. Like, I was so happy with it. I am so glad I spent that extra $20 that, you know, it took to get the 9x12 instead of going with the 8x10. But you know, I moved everything around. You will see as you watch this, like, how I start to move things around, and at the very end I will show you how I, like, what I went with, what I kept, what I didn't keep. And comment down below if you see something that you think that looks better. Please let me know, because I'm still not quite done moving some things around. I don't know. I have to like look at it for a few days and kind of see if that's what I want to do.
to the beat, yeah, we freak out, sing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out, sing like. So baby, come and take my hand tonight, and know that everything will be alright when we dance and we fall and we don't care at all. Now we just sing the la 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 la.
Would you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at.
In the future, I would love to get a new runner for this area just because now I don't have the matching rug in the living room, and honestly, I really love this rug, but if you've seen how I just picked it up, it is falling apart because it's one of those like jute rugs. It's an indoor-outdoor rug, and it is so like durable when it comes to stains and like power washing it, but it's starting to unravel, and that's the part that really kind of drives me insane, that I've had it for over a year, a little bit over a year, and it's already just like falling apart. Like, my mom has already sewn one part of it when she came to visit, and I shouldn't have to do that every single time, so I think I'm gonna stick with just like regular rug.
What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent. It's fine.
And if you're wondering why I moved my entryway table into the living room on this wall, is because our ceilings are so tall, which leaves me with like these huge open spaces that I have to try to not clutter up with a whole bunch of things, but I still want it to not look bare. But our living room is so big that I had to do something, so I ended up putting the entryway table against this wall, and we had an extra picture that we had made a frame for that we decided to put them on top of each other to kind of create that illusion to look up and not make that area look so like big and open and empty and like not homey feeling at all.
Tonight we've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight.
Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for.
And here's some advice for you if you are looking to put something in a space in your home. Shop your house. That's what I always say. Like, go look in other rooms. Is there something that you're not using that you want to use in a different area? This used to be in our old living room that held toys all the time. Then when we moved here, we had it in our bedroom and we've done nothing with it. Now I was like, why can't we just put this in the entryway for now, and we can sit there, put our shoes in it. So there you go. Looks good, and now I get to actually use it.
To me, I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause
Hey guys, I realized while editing this, I did not do like an end result and show you guys how I ended up moving everything around. So I am still trying to figure out a few things, but this is kind of how it ended up turning out. I moved the chair over here with the lamp. I think that looks really, really nice. I just like how it is all set up now. It makes it seem more cozier and homey. And I did leave the liquor cabinet back under that shelf over there, and I took the desk away from this area, and I'm still trying to figure out like where to put the box that goes to our sound bar, but I think I'm actually going to bring it back out. I thought about keeping it in our bedroom, but I just don't know if I want to keep it in there. I kind of feel like this space just seems really empty now, and it needs some more height. Like, there needs to be something there. It's just too blank with how tall our ceilings are. So I'm thinking about putting that back in the entryway. We have some plans for the entryway. It's not going to stay like this. That piece might stay there, but there is going to be some woodwork and something done to the walls in there with some painting. And then this is kind of how I had this corner turn out. I really liked it. And yeah, I just kind of moved things around and got a little bit crazy. So this video was a little like impromptu, and I just totally forgot the rug was coming in that day, and I just went at it, like just started moving stuff around, and I really think it's turning out how I want it to. So I'm gonna go ahead and end that video on this note. Thank you guys for watching. If you like these types of videos of decorating and cleaning and like moving stuff around in my house, trying to figure out where I want it, please give it a thumbs up or comment down below and let me know. I will make sure that I show this more often because I do this quite a bit. It's just this video was like totally impromptu. Like I kind of forgot the rug was coming that day and I just kind of went with it. So hopefully it turned out good. I just kind of was like trying to film as I went. But I am going to continue to be uploading Mondays and Wednesdays, and there will usually most weeks be a third video bonus, but it will be sometime between like Friday and Sunday. Just kind of depends on what I have to show you guys and what I have to film. But I will see you guys again on Monday, and I will see you later.
I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah. You close to me.